Let me show you how to turn off the sensitive content setting on X. But keep in mind, you do need a birthday on there that shows that you are 18 or older. So if you haven't entered in your birthday, you do need to enter that in and be 18 years or older to see that mature or sensitive content. Now, if you open up the X app on your iPhone or Android and you're not seeing all that sensitive content, keep in mind you can always go to the profile, settings, and then go to privacy and safety, content you see, and then on here, explore settings. Sometimes in some apps, it pops up with the ability to change it in the app itself or allow you to see that sensitive content. But in my case, and in a lot of cases, it doesn't show up here. If it doesn't show up here for you, you kind of just hop out of here and instead, we're going to open up a web browser on your phone or computer, and we're going to go to x.com. Now, keep in mind, you want to log in, but make sure you do not go to the app-based version. You're going to stay on the web-based version, and from here, just tap on the profile at the top left. And then we're going to scroll down and choose Settings and Privacy. And then from here, all we need to do is choose the security, or rather privacy and safety. And then you can see content you see. Tap on that. There are two things I would recommend doing. One is you can turn on display media that may contain sensitive content. And then also tap on the search settings. And you can see under search, it says hide sensitive content. Let's just turn that off to be able to see all of the content on X or Twitter.